The Samsung Galaxy S24 series is set to be released, and we have all the details. Let me know in the comments who is looking forward to the Galaxy S24, and remember to subscribe to my channel Technology in the future to remain up to date on the latest technology. Now, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in all territories, but the S24 and S24 Plus will use the X2400 in some. AI features will be one of the primary advancements of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, thanks to the capability of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. It's dubbed Galaxy AI and has numerous AI functions such as a live translation call. This will provide real-time audio and text translation during a phone call, and it will all be handled on the device itself, rather than relying on a cloud service. Currently, this is the only feature that Samsung has mentioned, but Ice Universe claims that Galaxy AI will also choose the best photo when you snap many photos of the same object. It will also be able to summarize papers or web pages. The AI will use both cloud computing and processing on the device itself. It appears that Samsung's priority is to make as much as possible happen on the device without the need for any connectivity. There has also been a leak of an exclusive feature for the S24, which will allow users to access the Instagram camera right from the lock screen. Clearly, Samsung and Instagram are collaborating on this, and it will be fascinating to see what else is included with the new S24. First and foremost, before we get into the S24 news, Samsung is presently promoting a great Black Friday sale. The S23 Ultra has been discounted to $899 for those looking for a good deal. In addition to better trade offerings, you can save up to $800. All you have to do now is click the link in the description below and then select the option to open the Samsung Shop app. The discount is only available when you use this link in the Samsung Shop app to make your purchase. There are also plenty of other amazing deals, like as $500 off the Z Fold 5, and all deals are valid until December 3rd. So let's get back to the S24. There have been numerous speculations claiming that the Samsung Galaxy S24 series will be unveiled on January 17th at a launch event in San Francisco. We now know that this appears to be quite likely as the device appears in certifications. We previously have the 3C certification, and it has now surfaced on the BIS certification, indicating that the rollout is nearing. Following that, numerous trustworthy leakers have informed us that the S24 Ultra will have a flat display. Ice Universe has also backed up this claim. He tweeted screen protectors for all three smartphones, and we can see that the S24 Ultra not only has a flat display, but it also has even bezels on all sides. Many people complain about curved displays, so this should be a nice update for most people, especially those who use the S Pen and have had trouble with the screen's edge. A 6.1 1-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display is standard on the Galaxy S24. It will have a resolution of 2340 x 1080 and will use Samsung's new M13 OLED screens, which will be covered by Gorilla Glass Victus 2. For selfies, we get a 12-megapixel punch-hole camera. On the back, there's a 50-megapixel primary camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens. Of course, it will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in South Korea and the United States, while European consumers will get the Exynos 2400. We receive 12 GB of RAM and the option of 256 or 512 GB of storage with USB 4.1. It has a 3,900 mAh battery, and while fast charging is still unknown, we're hoping for an improvement to 40W. But we do know that 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7 will be available. It now comes with One UI 6 based on Android 14, and it's anticipated to ship in February 2024 for around $850 to $900. Finally, we have the most expensive model, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. We get a 6.8-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display with the S24 Ultra. It has a resolution of 3880 x 1440 and once again uses Samsung's new M13 OLED display, which is covered by Gorilla Glass Victus 2. For selfies, we get a 12-megapixel punch-hole camera. Then there's a 200-megapixel primary camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, a 50-megapixel 3x telephoto, and a 10-megapixel telephoto with 10 times optical zoom on the back. Despite previous rumors, it will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in all areas, with the exception of the S24 and S24 Plus, which will continue to use the Exynos. The S24 Ultra comes with 16 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of storage, as well as UFS 4.1. It has a 5,000 mAh battery, and while fast charging is still unknown for the Ultra, we're looking for an improvement of closer to 60W. There will also be 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7. It now comes with One UI 6 based on Android 14 and is scheduled to start at $1,250. Although they have made some significant modifications, it appears that AI will play a significant part in promoting the Galaxy S24 series, and thanks to the strength of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and Samsung's efforts, much of the AI will be handled on the device itself. Because it's so close to its predecessor, it's unlikely to be worth an upgrade from the S23, but it'll be a fantastic alternative for anyone with an older S phone or seeking to acquire their first S phone. If you loved it, please click the like button. In addition, to hear the most latest Apple news, reviews, and comparisons, please hit the notification bell and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you all soon, guys. Until next time, take care. Goodbye.